The trip down the Grand Canyon for me has been more than what I expected, something I've wanted to do for a very long time. It's been great. It's an adventure. It's been a voyage of discovery, if you like, about geology, about American history. Initially you think it's going to be a whitewater rafting, a typical river run, but there's so much more involved in this particular trip, and it was so important that the guides have this knowledge to explain the rocks, the formation, the geology, as well as the history. And when you think back to John Wesley Powell, how this guy came down in 1869 not knowing where he was going, and we're sort of following in his footsteps. Really good fun with all the other people on the raft. Great mixture. I'd never met anyone here before. Everybody gets stuck in. The camping, the social side has been superb. So yeah, it's lived up to all my expectations and even more. And I would recommend it to anyone. I've been running rivers now for 20 or 30 years, but even people with no experience can come on this trip and thoroughly enjoy it and have a great time.
A trip with Water by Nature down the Colorado River is one of the world's great adventures. Deep within the Grand Canyon, this 14-day journey allows you to explore and experience one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. This canyon is unmatched in its overall vastness, geological history, striking landforms, and range of colors. In 1869, Major John Wesley Powell led the first successful expedition through the Grand Canyon. These pioneers ran the river in wooden dories under difficult conditions and severe hardship. The achievement of Powell and his team was widely acclaimed. This early expedition has now opened the way for travelers to relive this unique adventure safely and in comfort. Water by Nature offers you such an experience. The Colorado River, with its world-class rapids such as Lava Falls, Hermit, and crystal, provides a gateway to explore and discover the hidden treasures found deep within the Grand Canyon.
Lava. It was like a rodeo ride. It was like, you know, like that. It was a bit like that.
Yeah, lava was big waves. It was big waves, that was.
Lava was sweet. Biggest water I've ever run.
Lava, yep, I'm good. Second time round, didn't swim, which is a really good thing. And third time, so good I had to go and do it again. So yeah, awesome. Big water, fantastic.
I've never paddled so hard in all my life. It's awesome.
We're below lava.
It was good, man.
We're a little bit wet,
I punched the
but
right
we're
side
happy.
of that square wave, just to the left of the, or just to the right of it.
Bloody good.
I loved it. Good clean fun.
Drawing from years of safely running the world's best river trips, our team of world-class guides will inspire you. Their specialist knowledge of geology, history, and the flora and fauna found within the canyon will leave you with unique memories of your journey. In addition to the rapids previously mentioned, the Colorado River abounds with numerous fun wave trains, perfect for the whitewater enthusiast or first-timer. The pace of our trip allows you the time to hike the many side canyons or simply relax in the spectacular surroundings. Evidence of ancestral Native American history is abundant throughout the length of your 226-mile adventure. Our guides will take you on short walks to visit sites of archaeological interest. Your safety, as always, is our #1 priority, whether it is on the river, in camp, or on the numerous hikes. Water by Nature has perfected the art of 5-star camping. During mealtimes, your river crew will transform into gourmet chefs, presenting you with meals of a standard our guests have stated restaurants would be proud of. Your dinner will be accompanied by a choice of fine wines, ice-cold beers, or a gin and tonic in fresh lime. So, make your holiday this year a truly unforgettable adventure of a lifetime.
Did you get that?